Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and this is the euro and the US dollar, and I'm looking at the weekly chart as this market is pretty crazy. Excuse my language, of course. I'm talking about the move from the 1.40 on the weekly chart. Remember, all these candles here represents 1 week. So the move from the 1.40 all the way to here to the downside seems to be a move that has no has no respect for bulls. Now, somehow, in terms of value at waves, I would say that this is nothing but a D wave of a triangle on a bigger degree. Let's make it in. And now we should look for an E wave for this triangular formation, this E wave to come to the downside. Now, in order for the E wave to form to the downside, we got to look at the potential, or not potential, the possible patterns that we have here and how to interpret them. I would say that the whole move that starts from here all the way to the downside should be treated first of all in terms of channeling. So what we should do is should take a trend line from here to here like this, and then to put it in here, and we see that the move, it is not channeling. Well, if it is not channeling, means it is not a zigzag family pattern, so it cannot be a double zigzag or a triple zigzag or stuff like that, first of all. On the other hand, if you are looking for the whole move to be formed, or to form a zigzag, then you should look for, let's say that from here to here, and this one to be from here to here. Not even possible, because it is not channeling as well. It means it is more than a simple correction, or it is a complex correction, but here it tries to carve a bottom, or at least a temporary bottom. We have a move to the downside like this, and then a jump. We have another move to the downside in here, but that only establishes a higher low. And from my point of view, this is a bit bullish at this area. Of course, it's too early to tell how the market will end up trading this month, as end of month is coming. But from this area, I would kind of favoring the upside and not the downside. However, we'll go with the following situation. Because of this two dips now, we need another dip to try to threaten the lows in here, so something to go, I don't know, 0640, maybe 0620 area, and then to buy call option. So would favor here a move to the downside for the put option in here, and then from 106, let's say in this area 106, 105.90 to go aggressively on the long side, or to go aggressively to buy call options. Normally this, if it ends with a triangle, it will be a triple combination. Then the triple combination goes like this. Goes with something like A, B, C, X, A, B, C, X, and then you have a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then breaks higher. This might be the pattern we're looking in here, with wave A already done and B in the making. So in here, let's try to say that we're looking for put options from current levels 107.15 with end of week expiration date, so basically 2 days from now, and call options by the time 1.0650, not 50, 20 level comes with end of month expiration date. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great day. Bye bye.